Hey everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guide. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. Now, one of the services that our clients most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a device in order to be used with a different carrier other than the one that originally sold it. By default, most mobile devices are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to only being used with the original carrier, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier or different network. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy S8, and this one is originally from AT&T here in the US. I don't know if the insignia will show up there on the back with how shiny it is, but we'll take a look in the settings here and show you what we're working with. If we jump into the settings, we'll be able to see that we do indeed have an S8 with that model number there, the G950U. That's the same model number that all US versions of the Galaxy S8 have. This one just happens to be from AT&T here in the US. If we go under the software information section, we can see under the service provider info there, it's all showing up as AT&T. We have AT&T apps installed and other things as well. Now, this is a device that has not yet been SIM unlocked because when we insert a SIM from a different carrier, we get this prompt for the network unlock code. So there's an 8-digit code that can be obtained from either Samsung or AT&T that once it's typed in, then the device is considered network unlocked and can be used with any other carriers that are compatible. Now, there are a lot of different websites and services out there that will offer the option to be able to get you that code so that you can type it in yourself, but that generally requires waiting a few days to get that done. We're making this video to let all of our customers know that our business actually offers a service to be able to do that instantly using our computer tools and programs while the device is plugged in without actually having to wait for that code. That's actually something that we're doing right here, right now to the device as it's plugged in. So in just a little bit, once that process wraps up, we should be able to see that the phone can restart and then it should be able to work on the SIM card that we have inserted here without asking for that code. The other indication usually that you see that a device is network locked is if you look in the notification bar drop down, you'll usually see something that says invalid SIM card, and it tells you that it's a network locked SIM card inserted. Now that message may vary from phone to phone, but basically something like that usually shows up in the notification bar there to let you know that you're using a device that has not yet been SIM unlocked from its original carrier. While this is still going on, I should mention that this is something that we can do for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. You don't necessarily have to be here in our local area to get it done. You just have to have a decently powerful Windows computer and a fast internet connection, and we can connect to you right through the internet and do the exact same process that we would do if we had the phone here in hand. Just so it is clear about exactly which phone we're using also, I can pull up the AT&T folder with all the apps that they have preloaded. And that does identify it as an AT&T device. The unlock process here is just wrapping up, so it'll just need to restart here really quickly, and then we should be able to see that it is indeed working on that test SIM card when it's done. Let's give it just a few seconds here to wrap up. Okay, so it's going to go through its restart process here. I should also mention that this also can be done to the Galaxy S8 Plus, since it's, basically it's identically the exact same device, they just have a bigger screen and bigger battery. That's all there is a difference. So we can notice that right away here up top, we can see that we're showing T-Mobile as the carrier that we're connected to, and that's good because that is the test SIM that we inserted is from T-Mobile. So we're showing our network bars there. We do not have the invalid SIM card message there anymore in the status bar. And it should also not ask us for the code when we swipe away the notification panel there. And indeed, it's now telling us that we have to restart the phone to use the new SIM card, so it's going to change things up a little bit to add some T-Mobile customizations. We see our signal bars up there up top, so the phone's already set to go. And of course, as you saw, it was all done directly via the USB cable in our programs. We didn't actually get the code ahead of time and typed it in, so there's no trickery going on here. It can really be done just that fast, right through the internet and just using a USB cable. So If you have an AT&T S8 or S8 Plus and would like to get its SIM unlocked for use on other compatible carriers, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact info will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all the info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all the other videos that we have here on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. While you're here, also make sure to hit that subscribe button to be notified of all the new videos that we're constantly adding, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.